Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is finding the slope of a line given 2 points. So the formula in finding the slope of a line given 2 points is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let us determine the slope of a line given 2 points. Example, 6, 2 and 8, 4. Okay? So, take note, kapag ang given ay 2 points o dalawang ordered pairs, we can use the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. At para madali nating makuha ang ating slope, lagyan natin ng label ang ating given. So, ang ating first ordered pair na 6, 2 will be x sub 1 and y sub 1. And then, 8 and 4 will be our x sub 2 and y sub 2. Since may label na ang ating given, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute sa ating formula. So that would be equal to y sub 2 is equal to 4 minus our y sub 1 is 2 over ang x sub 2 naman natin ay 8 minus ang x sub 1 is 6. Okay, since na-substitute na natin, we can now simplify our answer. So, this would be equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 over 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So, our slope now is equal to 1. Next example, if we have point negative 2, 5 and 7, 3. So, substitute ulit natin siya sa formula na m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, first step, label each pairs of points. So, first ordered pair will be our x sub 1, y sub 1. And then second ordered pair will be our x sub 2, y sub 2. So, that would be equal to, ano ang ating y sub 2? So, we have here positive 3 minus, ano ang ating y sub 1? So, we have here positive 5 over x sub 2 is positive 7 minus our x sub 1 is negative 2. Okay? Since meron tayong subtraction sign here at negative ang value ng ating x sub 1, so we have to enclose this in a parenthesis. So that would be equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2 over, so we have here 7 plus 2, so this will become plus since negative times negative would be equal to positive. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So our slope is negative 2 over 9. Okay, next example. 7, negative 1 and negative 2, negative 9. Okay, so ulit sa formula, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, lagyan ulit natin ng label ang ating given. So, 7 will be our x sub 1, negative 1 is our y sub 1, and then the second ordered pair, negative 2 will be our x sub 2, and negative 9 will be our y sub 2. So, substitute natin sa formula. This will be equal to, ang y sub 2 natin is negative 9 minus our y sub 1 is negative 1. So, we have to enclose in a parenthesis negative 1 kasi ang operation natin dito is subtraction over x sub 2 is negative 2 minus our x sub 1 is 7. So, that would be equal to, so we have here negative 9, and then let us show that negative times negative 1 will be equal to positive 1 over negative 2 minus 7 is equal to negative 9. Since they have same sign, so we can now add 2 and 7 and then copy negative sign. Okay, and then that would be equal to negative 9 plus 1, different signs, subtract. So, this will be equal to negative 8. So, we copied the sign of the bigger number. So, that's why the answer is negative 8 over negative 9. And then, negative 8 over negative 9 is equal to 8 over 9. Isa sa rules ng division of integers, kapag nag-divide tayo ng parehong negative na number, the final answer will result to positive. So, this will be our final answer. So, our slope is 8 over 9. Next example, 2, 3, and 6, 3. Okay, so formula, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so label each ordered pair. So we have here the first ordered pair is our x sub 1, y sub 1. And the second ordered pair will be our x sub 2, y sub 2. So, i-substitute na natin ang kanilang values. So, that would be y sub 2 is 3 minus our y sub 1 is 3 over ang x sub 2 naman natin ay 6 minus x sub 1 is 2. So, let us simplify. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 over 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Since our numerator is 0, our final answer will be 0. So, our slope is equal to 0. For our last example, 4, 5, and 4, negative 6. So, our formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, label the ordered pairs. So, our first ordered pair will be our x sub 1, y sub 1. At ang ikalawang ordered pair naman will be x sub 2, y sub 2. So, that would be equal to, ang y sub 2 natin is negative 6 minus, ang y sub 1 naman natin is 5 over, ang x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is 4. So, that would be equal to negative 6 minus 5 will give us negative 11 over 4 minus 4 equals 0. If we have here a 0 denominator, then the final answer will be undefined. Okay? So, our slope is undefined. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!